So on December 31st in the morning, I do my usual routine, check up emails, except this time I couldn't do that. And I tried to log in on my Google account and it said, well, my password was changed, and I was confused a little bit. And I don't know how, but I managed to recover it quickly and saw that in my email, I got a copyright strike from YouTube. We will see that in a second. And I was all confused. What is going on? So I joined or entered my channel, and well, there was a lot to see. First things first, I saw this over here where I'm going to put it. You see this logo, Ethereum, whatever this is. So this is the new logo of the channel apparently, and the name was changed as well. And the guy who also took my videos, he actually my channel, he set all the videos to private. And you know, it was a scary experience, so to say. And I say scary because I was building the channel for years and years and years. I mean, I started a channel in 2014. I'm trying to get it to 100K subscribers, and just like that, somebody, you know, comes and he wants to take it and almost took it, because he also changed the recovery email. He changed the number that is used to two-step verification, all of that. I didn't have that turned on. I'm stupid. And initially how it started is I got an email to advertise a game on my channel, and I got interested, and I looked up the website they had, and it looks totally legit. I'm going to put it here on the screen so you can see it. It looks legit. They even have a Steam page for the game that they want me to advertise, but still I was a bit skeptical because they wanted me to download and play the game. So what I did is, I'm on Windows. Luckily, I do all my development and everything. The most important part is on my Mac. So on Windows, it's not, but still, you know, I have synchronized the Google Chrome thing and so on and so forth. But I downloaded a virtual machine because I was skeptical. I downloaded a virtual machine and opened that in a virtual machine, and I saw it didn't open, and also it was, you know, telling me it's a virus and so on and so forth. So I deleted it immediately. And this is on 27th December. And then I wake up in the 31st, and I saw that on the 30th in the evening, the account was hacked and the password was changed and all of that stuff. Luckily, I was able to recover everything. So that's a plus, because a lot of people who experience this, they don't even recover their channels. And now that I have experienced that, not that I didn't feel sorry for them before, but now I feel sorry for them even more, because that's years and years of time invested, energy, nights without sleep. And you know, all the tutorials that I put out on the channel, 8-hour long, 6-hour long, 5-hour long, 3-hour long tutorials. It takes a lot of time for somebody to just come and literally, you know, he just put all of that in private and starts uploading some Ethereum videos, and also gets my channel striked. It's, you know, luckily, as I said, that lasted for a couple of hours. It didn't destroy the channel completely in terms of losing views and subscribers, but it did throw it back a little bit. That's why, if, you know, you want to support the channel in this, you know, tough moment, just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It will really mean a lot. And yeah, what else can I say? I mean, I'm a religious person, so I pray to God that whoever done this should die with a terrible disease like tumor or cancer or whatever. And that might sound harsh, but you know, I gotta have family to feed, I have bills to pay, and you know, when somebody tries to take away that from me, well, that's harsh as well. So what else can I say except, you know, support the channel with subscribing and liking, so that we can get back on track where we were, because I'm aiming to reach 100K subscribers by the end of the next year, because we didn't reach it this year. So I'm hoping we'll reach it next year. And yeah, we will be back on schedule, posting every week, starting this week. I mean, depending on when I uploaded this video, because of the copyright strike, I was not able to upload videos for 1 week until I settled that with Google, so that they remove the copyright strike. Still don't know. It's, you know, that happened today. So maybe in the future, when this video is published, they you know, resolve that issue. Anyways, thank you for supporting the channel in good and in bad times. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.